This year, the Entrepreneurial Insurance Alliance, sponsored by MarketScout, named Vertafore and RiskMetrics as winners of its 2011 Entrepreneurial Award in Technology. Vertafore's WorkSmart and RiskMetrics Insurance 360 technology products received recognition from the EIA as being some of the industry's most innovative concepts in technology.
We launched WorkSmart last year. We're currently selling it to agencies, and it's really a tool for agencies to manage their staff and their business processes. It really allows agencies, it's a combination of content management, business process management, workflows, and reporting, and allows agencies to really create more capacity, allow their staff to be more efficient, and really spend more time on revenue-generating tasks like seeking new clients, building relationships, providing value-added services to their current clients. I think there was a big need. We really view this as an evolution. So from imaging to basic document management, we view this as the next step in that evolution. So WorkSmart would replace a document management system. It has content management, but it also has much more sophisticated workflows, and then this reporting element on top, which allows agencies to get visibility into where various tasks are in a process, how long it's taking to do something, which customers are most time consuming, and where bottlenecks are, and really take action on that information and work more efficiently as well. The idea actually started from, we have a similar product, ImageRight, in the carrier and MGA market. And so it started from trying to take that concept and really customize it and tailor it for agency needs to allow them to take advantage of that technology.
RiskMetrics McCarthy says their new version of Insurance 360 was released at the Entrepreneurial Insurance Symposium. The new technology expands on the data as a service product that RiskMetrics already provides and also broadens its reach into new states and new insurance lines.
Insurance 360 is an expansion of our existing data set and a new delivery mechanism. What we do at RiskMetrics is aggregate risk indicative data on US-based businesses and essentially identify what would be indicative of an insurance exposure. So things like workers' compensation coverage, commercial auto exposures, commercial property, and other factors like import-export or some specialty risks. We've been providing that to carriers, agents, brokers, banks, and other insurance selling organizations for just over 10 years now. And really it's been an expansion of the data set into new states and new lines, and really leveraging a new delivery mechanism for an API, which is an application program interface. So what we've taken is that data set and loaded it into the cloud, leveraging Amazon's platform, and exposed it in a scalable manner through data as a service being consumed with an API. And an API really is just a sophisticated way of how one computer talks to another computer, and rather than install or FTP data sets to a customer, we give them a key, which is a unique string of letters and numbers that identify them and allow them the protocol to call into our data set and pull back information as needed. So with this product, we've moved to really aggregate further information on a business's commercial property. So taking a look at who owns the property they occupy, how much is it worth, what's the square footage, when did they buy it, and other data elements on that, as well as do they own and operate any commercial vehicles, trucks, cars, what type, and the distribution. So that's new information to provide to these customers, which previously really required doing so on a large scale. We've been able to move the opportunity to access this data down market to get it essentially at one record at a time, which really allows us to scale the business and the potential for us to provide this information to customers. So today we have about 478 active agency and broker customers and about 16 active carrier customers. So we're a small business based in Boca Raton, Florida, 10 employees, trying to do some pretty interesting things with data as a service, helping insurers get a little bit smarter about their business. At some point, we really see the process efficiency moving to a minimum. as all things kind of come to zero. Really taking the IBM marketing mentality of how do we get smarter about our business. It's really looking at data and stacking analytics on top of it to extract interesting value from that information.